Gold prices have surged to an all-time high of rupees 29,590 per 10 grams today. Brisk buying by stockists and sustained buying by jewelers to meet the marriage season demand is helping gold rally. The precious metal has gained 650 rupees in the last 8 trading sessions, and prices are also finding support in solid international trend. The yellow metal has climbed for a 5th day in the international markets. This is its best run since January. Concerns of deepening Eurozone debt crisis have also spurred demand for gold. For more on gold prices, we are now joined by Prithviraj Kothari, who is the MD at Riddhi Siddhi Bullion, on the phone line from Mumbai. Mr. Kothari, thanks for joining us on the show. Gold is near all-time highs again in the Indian market. Is some kind of a demand destruction expected in the next few weeks?
Hello.
Okay, we will be coming back on that particular issue. Sir, can you hear me clearly?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Kothari, I was wanting to know your view as far as the demand is concerned because of these high prices. Are you witnessing some kind of a decline in demand?
Yeah, it's a huge decline in demand. If you see the exchange is almost discounted on $15. There is no demand in the physical side. If you see only the rupee depreciation is affect the Indian prices. And if you see the customs duty, it is almost 1,20,000. So from Jan to this up to April end, it's almost duty increase of 90,000 rupees because it's the effect of the every month of every month. So now it's a dollar rate is calculating the 53.10. So now today the duty structure also changed for 1,19,760 rupees per kilo. So basically it's a rupee depreciation, the duty increases affected the demand, who is affected on the huge on gold prices. Mainly the gold prices, if you see the internationally is the bearish tone, but if you see in the rupee terms, it's on the bullish.
Right. So what kind of a fall are you expecting in prices because of these factors which you just named for us?
I think if you see the international prices, I'm more bearish. If it's come on $1,570 or maybe $1,530 in a May month. But in the if you rupee terms, I think it's a 28,500 on the downside. On upper side, maybe the 32,000 or 31,000.
Right. So what's your outlook on silver?
Silver, I think it's basically it's a industrial use. No, if the economic are going better, then silver maybe come. But it's the right time. It's I think it's a pressure on the downside. Maybe the 52 or 53,000 is the best buying level for silver for long term. If it's the equity or industry use or equity are moving positive side, then I think silver will move very fastly.
Right, Mr. Kothari. Thanks a lot for joining us on the show. Chirag and Vijay are still with us on the show. Chirag, you also have a sell call as far as gold futures are concerned. What's the target you're looking at?
I'm looking for a downside target till 28,650 or 28,500 in the short to medium term. Gold on the international level is trading around at $660. It has been constantly trading below the 200-day moving average since a long time. I'm expecting further weakness to continue in the international market once the dollar index starts moving up. It is also near an important support of 78.50.
Vijay, you are not looking at precious metals. Instead, you are looking at lead and zinc as far as the trading bets are concerned. What's the rationale there?
You see, Ajay, I would not want to go short on bullion for the simple reason that calendar year 2012 is an election year. You're witnessing approximately 41 countries, big and small, going to the polls. I'm talking of general elections and the mother of all elections in the US later this year. So I have a feeling that bullion over a period of time might just accelerate on the upside once the electoral push rather than pull on prices ends. So I would look at breakouts at higher levels to buy, which is not really occurring. I've been talking about 57,400 levels on silver, which is silver is not able to overcome. Unless that happens, I will not want to buy silver. I will want to buy gold only above 29,250 or 29,300, which has not yet occurred on a closing basis. So I'm staying off purchasing of gold also. But having said that about the breakout levels, I remain optimistic about the medium to long term outlook on the charts, and therefore I would not like to bet on the short side. As far as lead and zinc are concerned, I am bullish on both these commodities. I'm seeing bullish chart patterns being set up here. I would essentially buy lead at the current levels, or maybe wait even for a decline of maybe 50 paise to a rupee. But rather than go out and buy the April series, which is ended today anyway, I would target the May series and hold it with the stop loss at 13 levels. And I would expect to book profits at 116 levels. This is not necessarily a day trade. One might just need to nurse this trade forward and take it to the next trading session.
So short-term bullish on lead and zinc, but long-term continue to be bullish on gold.